y'all, so I am currently applying the lashes. I already put the glue on there and let it dry for a couple of seconds, and now I am taking the lash applicator and I place the lashes. I like to place mine in the middle of my eyelid, and then I get the back of the lashes and then the front corner. It's so much easier for me when I do it that way. But yeah, the lash applicators make it 10 times easier for me. If you are a beginner, this is the easiest way to put on them lashes. But yeah, y'all, that's it. I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna brush my brows up. To use a light brown brow pencil. And I'm just going to trace my eyebrow. And then I use my darker brown pencil, eyebrow pencil. I use that. And actually, I need to sharpen it just a little bit. Flipping this mirror to the other side. Just put on the commotion. Okay. Then I outline the top. Y'all, one thing about it is I'm gonna fleek my brows. That is pretty. I haven't even did the concealer yet. Do y'all see that? Chef's kiss. Okay. So I'm gonna get to the other brow. Step after I put the brown in the front, I use the dark brown in the back. I tried black and darker brown before, and just me personally, I don't like the front of my brows to be real dark. Yeah, you gotta see if they matching. I think it's pretty good. I'm gonna add a little more. concealer on them, so if I was to mess it up, I can clean it up with that anyway. So we're done filling in the brows. Now we're gonna conceal them. Brows is like one of my favorite things, my favorite looks. Like a good brow, I have to have a good brow. Okay, so that's my concealer. If y'all don't know by now, I don't know why I always sing stuff, sing my words. I don't know what that is, but what is this? Okay. So this is the Infallible L'Oreal Concealer in the color Almond. I need to pin this hair up because it's in my way. Okay, so I take my brush and I take the concealer and I just swipe a little on the top. Not too much. You're not gonna need a whole bunch. And if you want to add more, you can later on, but I would recommend not starting off with too much. So just enough. Just that much. Okay, so you just draw you just go underneath the eyebrow, you draw. Trace, we're gonna say trace. It's a better word. You're gonna trace the brow with the concealer. Okay. So after I get the concealer on there, I use this brush to get everything on there, and I use this small e.l.f. smudge brush to blend everything out. Y'all, I am literally, I feel like I'm a professional. Moisturizing. So the second brow, finish with the bottom, repeat the same steps. Yeah, I'll be so happy when I do my brows. but I don't know. It's still a good primer, but yeah, like I said, I just need something that's a little more moisturizing. Okay, y'all, so this was the last and final step. You just blend out the concealer. After everything's blended, you have slayed brows. Okay, I hope y'all learned from this video. I hope it was as detailed as I thought it was. The lashes and the items that I use for the brows will be linked below. And yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.